Oh, hey guys, what's up? So, we're in the truck, getting ready to go to the car bike show. I'm driving a truck today because two reasons. It's fucking cold outside, and I really don't feel like carrying my helmet around with me. So, we're gonna head on over to the car bike show, and I'll see you there.
Goofy bastard on a Harley, highways calling loud and clear. Windy canyons, wild and gnarly, freedom whispers in his ear.
Hey guys, what's up? So we're in Oaks, PA right now. We are at the, more cars than bikes, but there are like maybe 10 bikes here or so. So we're gonna walk around, check out some cars, and then I'm gonna show you my buddy, Jeff, his bike. He has his bike here, so we'll go see that in a couple minutes. So I'm just gonna show you some cars right now, and then we'll get to the bikes.
and clear. Windy canyons, wild and gnarly, freedom whispers in his ear. Small towns hum their quiet tune, sunrise chases midnight's dawn. Local bars and greasy spoons, laughing till the pain is gone. Riding fast and riding free, stories etched across the land. Every mile of memory, life is better unplanned. Neon lights and desert moons, restless spirits in the air. Epic tales and dusty roads, no one else to take him there. Telling tales of strangers, wow, brotherhood and fleeting glance. Life ain't lived if it's too loud, every stop a new romance. Mountains stand and rivers flow, echoes of his throttle's roar. On the edge he seems to grow, craving more and more and more and more. Riding fast and riding free, stories etched across the land. Every mile a memory, life is better unplanned.
All right, guys. So I hooked up with my buddy Jeff, and we're going to take a look at his chopper. He's going to tell me a little bit about it. All right. So here's my buddy Jeff.
How you doing?
All right. So tell me what it is.
It's a 73 Eamon chopper. Now, if you don't understand Eamon, it's a mail order company that was out in the 70s. And what they would do is they would make these frames and components to accommodate factory parts. So if you had a stock motorcycle, you buy these components, you can turn your bike into a bolt-together chopper, really, and you can end up with something that right here, like what we got going on.
Yeah, and he did a lot of work to this chopper. It came out beautifully. He has a picture. Let me see. I'll go get a picture. Let me show you what the bike looked like beforehand. So that's what the bike looked like beforehand. And then this is what it looks like now. He did a lot of work to this bike. It's gorgeous. If you saw the thumbnail, you saw I sat on it. He let me sit on it. So, you know, it's a gorgeous bike. So he originally got this bike from his brother. His brother gave it to him, and he tore it apart, redid the whole thing, and actually his brother's here right now.
And he wants it back.
Scott, come here a second. All right, this is the original owner of the bike, Scott. All right, he gave it to his brother, and his brother did all this nice work to it. So what do you think of the bike right now?
Well, I haven't seen the bike until now, yesterday.
Okay.
And this is amazing. It's absolutely amazing. And I'm glad he did this for a number of reasons. One, because it's he and I.
Okay.
It's my brother and I's effort. And I've always thought that I should have given my bike a better appearance and really treated it as it deserved. And Jeff has done that for me.
Now, Jeff told me a couple weeks ago when we were out to breakfast that you want the motorcycle back.
I'm sorry, you're breaking up. What?
See?
After I see this, yes, but I think I'm going to be a stepdad to it.
Okay.
And I think he'll have it for his summer. I'll have it for his
Okay.
summer.
All right.
And then and it's
So-
also a great excuse to get together.
So this bike is going to ride around the hills of North Carolina now. Once you get it for that year, and then when he has it, it'll ride in PA.
That works for me.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
So this bike is going to see a lot of nice roads, especially in North Carolina and in PA. Because we got a lot of good roads up here. I know there's a lot of good roads down there too.
Oh yeah, it's going to be a multi-state bike.
Okay.
Is that a phrase?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Are you going to ride it down there, or are you going to trailer it?
I plan on riding it down,
Okay.
and it's about, by car, maybe 10 hours,
Okay.
and I'm going to take 2 days to do it.
Okay. All right.
So,
It was originally a hardtail.
yeah.
They did put a Springer seat on it.
Yes, they did.
So it'll make it a little bit better for him to take it down to North Carolina. I don't know if Jeff's going to ride it back here, when it's his turn to get it back, but,
He will.
we'll find out. We'll see.
We were talking
He says
about that.
maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. All right, guys. So that's all I got for you. We walked around the show and, checked out everything we could. But like I said, the main reason I was here was to see Jeff's bike, to see what he did to his bike, and his bike is gorgeous. All right, guys. So until next time, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.